This video will describe how to use the Check It tool in Read and Write for the Mac desktop. This tool is used to help a user identify potential errors in their writing. The Check It tool is not found on any of the pre-assigned toolbars, but can be placed on the user-defined toolbar. Refer to the Toolbar Modes video to learn how to customize a user-defined toolbar. With your document open, click the Check It icon in the toolbar. The program will underline in purple all of the potentially misspelled words. Click on the first word to see suggested spellings of the word. Hover over each word to hear them spoken aloud. Click on the desired replacement word.
Volcano. Tectonic.
Notice that the replacement of one word does not automatically replace similarly misspelled words.
Tectonic.
If there is a word that is flagged as incorrectly spelled, the user may choose to add the word to the dictionary. To remove custom words, open the Preferences icon and select the Check It tab. Select the word to be removed and click the minus button.